If your iPhone ringtone is quiet even on the loudest settings, then what you do is go to settings here, go to this option Face ID and passcode, enter the passcode of your iPhone, scroll down and there is one option here, attention aware features. If it is enabled like this one, then disable this option. The other thing that you can do is you can go to settings again, go to this option accessibility, go to voice control, and if you have set up voice control, scroll down and make sure that here also this attention aware feature is disabled. In my case it is already disabled.